Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do this basic 8 mission of this hackthisSite.org missions. So let's get started. So in the previous videos, we have completed till basic 7 missions. Now it's time for basic 8. So let's move in. So it's taking time. So here we have in. So it says Sam remains confident that an obscured password file is still the best idea. I think he's mad. So, but he screwed up with the current program. Sam has saved the unencrypted password file in blah blah blah. However, Sam's younger daughter Stephanie has just learned in program in PHP. So good. She's talented for her age. She's know nothing about security. She's recently learned about saving files and she would upgrade to demonstrate her ability. So we will go to this enter your name. So it will ask enter your name. So it is simple that it contains a folder in which we have to go to that and find the password. So we have to just roam around this. Let's type my name, Ayan, and then submit. So your file has been saved. Please click here. So so nothing. So we are in this folder. This basic 8. So we have to go after 8, not this much temp, this, not this. So we have to go after 8. If we go back, okay. So we have to execute a command of Unix. So it is uses SSI server side injection. So enter over here. So open oswab.org. Here we have examples to list files of directory. So just copy this thing. Okay. So I'm going to copy and just paste over here. So let's see. Click over here. So it will go to this folder HTML hi this and it will list all the files and folders. But we have to go to this temp. So it will just go back. So we have to go this folder after basic 8. So we are directing into the temp folder. So we have to just go to one backward directory. So just paste this thing and then backward one directory, just space then double dot and submit. Your file has been saved. Click here. So let's see, open it. So here we have a file this an index, then level 8, and here we have temp in which we are directing earlier. So this is, so we have know that the password would be stored in this, not in that folders. So just copy this thing and then let's move this thing after basic 8, then paste over here. Let's see it will display password or not. So it will display, as you can see that. Just copy this thing and then go back. So it will redirect, so don't worry. You just paste over here and then submit. So I got an error. Let's go back. So just reload it and paste over here and then submit. Congrats, congratulations, you have successfully completed Basics 8 mission. So guys, thank you guys for watching my video. Please give thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Do tell me in a comment box. I will resolve all your problems. This is Ayan Ahmad. Stay tuned for our YouTube channel. This is Ayan Ahmad signing off. In the next videos, I will completely cover all those things which will become the website hacker.